Persistent negative sliding sign following laparotomy for endometriosis in a 27-year-old who had bilateral cystectomy for endometrioma. Both tubes were blocked. She was therefore counseled for IVF. She completed a 6-month course of combined oral contraceptive pills and presented for follow-up 8 months post-surgery. She was symptom-free. In the next video, not both the negative anterior and posterior sliding sign and the question mark sign. So here you can see the transvaginal image. Here if you straight the endocervix to endometrium, you can see what it looks like, the question mark sign, which is suggestive of severe adhesion. So now let's play the video. So you can see that the prop actually is in the anterior fornix. You can see this is the bladder, this is the thoracical fold. We trace here, this is the internal os, so this is the fundus. So the prop is in the anterior fornix. You can see this is residual cysts. You can see the peripherally located ovarian follicles here. So look at it. There is no movement at all here. So you can see it's negative anterior sliding sign. The bladder is not sliding over the uterus. Although it's in the anterior fornix, you can see even posteriorly, there's really no movement. You see that? Look at this fluid position here, bowel. So we're drawing the prop and introducing it into the posterior fornix. Check for posterior sliding sign. So here you are. Okay. So trying to readjust the prostate, you can see the question mark sign here. This is the fundus of the endometrium. You can see this ball here is not adhered to the uterine wall here. You can see the ball here is free. So what you look at this over here is stopped. The fundus here, there is no movement. You see that? So this negative sliding sign posteriorly. You see that? There is no movement at all. There is no sliding of the ovary over the uterus here. So you can see the question mark sign, peripherally located ovarian follicle, residual cyst, and here you can see that there is no line of demarcation here. So there is severe adhesion posteriorly, and that was why the sliding sign was negative. So thank you very much for listening.